Hello everybody. Today I'm going to show you how I cook one of my favorite seafoods to eat. Actually, it's not just seafood, favorite food to eat. A real good friend of mine just brought some crabs over for me, and so I'm gonna show you how Ray makes crabs. Alright, let's see what they look like. These four seasonings are what I like to use. There's a lot of similarities, but I like to mix it up. So the fishmonger, Creole seasoning, makes everything taste great. Red Lobster seafood seasoning, that's very similar to any other kind of seafood seasoning they sell. I think it's got all the same general ingredients. And then Johnny's seasoning salt. Can't go wrong with Johnny's. 6 hours since Curtis brought them over. I can hear some movement in there. They're lethargic because they're on ice, but they're doing well still. Let's see what they look like. Oh yeah, look at them. Those are gonna taste good. Oh yeah, yep, still alive. Just before you stick the crabs into the pot, I recommend rinsing them off, clean them off, get anything that might be on them off, and I'm going to stick them in whole like this, and then I'll take the backs off and crack the bodies in half and clean them and stuff afterwards. I like to cook it this way first. I think it keeps the juices in. A lot of other people will go ahead and just clean them from the very beginning, and take the backs off and split the body in half, clean all the internals out and everything, rinse it all off, and then cook it. I just think it tastes a little better if you cook it this way first. So I like to steam them, and so I got a pretty good sized pot here with a little steaming insert. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a little bit of water in the bottom, put the crabs in the steamer, I'll put seasoning on it. I get the water boiling, and then stick the steamer portion into the pot. Well, the crabs were too big. I was only able to get 2 of the smaller ones and 1 of the medium-sized ones in. Might have been able to do a different combination and got 2 and 2 in, but it's going to end up being 2 pots no matter what. So this guy was too big. I couldn't get him in the pot with the other ones. He's going to have to go by himself. Dungeness crab. It's going to be good. The water is boiling, so all I need to do is season the crabs and put the steamer section into the pot. Seasoned them. Here they go. Alright, they've been going for about 3 minutes now, and they just started to turn color. A couple minutes more and they will be done. This first batch I think is good to go. Cover off. Woohoo! Look at that steam. Yeah. 4 big crabs. Alright, all you left to do now is eat them. Yeah. Make Ray happy. Fish on.